What is up, guys? Today I am going to show you how to make any video sound into your alarm or ringtone on iPhone for free. I am going to make this as simple as possible. So the first thing, guys, you need to do is download the two apps. The first one called GarageBand. I am going to add the name in the screen. GarageBand. So if you don't have it already, because most people have this app on their iPhone, like when they first buy it. So this just download this app. This is the picture of the app, and the second app, it's called Ringtone Maker. I am going to add the name again in the screen. Sorry, this is not the app. This is the app. Okay, this is again the picture of the app. Make sure to download the same app and just click download. Now you have two apps which we are going to use to make any video sound into your alarm or ringtone. So what you want to do, guys, to do that, you first have to download a video that has the sound that you want to add to your into your alarm or ringtone sounds. So for me, I like to use TikTok, but you can use anything you want. You can just download it. If you don't know how to download videos, you can just search on YouTube and you can know. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to download a video on TikTok. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go to TikTok here, as you can see here, and then like search for any video you want. For example, if you want to add this video to your alarm or ringtone, you want to just click this arrow in the right and then click save video. Okay, now when you have saved the video, now we are going to use two apps that we have downloaded a few seconds ago. So make sure, like I said, guys, you can just download the video that you want, or you can just have it already in your phone if you want to use it as or MP3. It doesn't matter, as alarm sound or ringtone sound. So the first thing, guys, you need to do is you want to open the first app, which is Ringtone Maker. Sorry, I'm going to close all this. When you first open it, this is how it will look, and you will only have one video there. But for me, it has three because I already added two videos there. So if you want to add the video as sound, alarm, or ringtone, you want to click this plus in the top and then click import from videos. And here you have to select the video that you want to use as a sound, alarm, or ringtone. Okay, for example, I want to use this video. Click done, and it takes a few seconds. And as you can see here, this is the video in the top. Just click this circle in the right. Okay, you can just see this circle here, and then click the first option, which is make ringtone trim. All right, now click set ringtone. All right, now we have to use the second app, which I told you to download. Just click this GarageBand, click it. All right, now as you can see here, this is the video that we want to use as alarm sound or ringtone sound. So just click and hold in the video itself. Click and hold for 2 seconds, and then click share. As you can see here at the bottom, you can see here share, and then click this here ringtone. Okay, in the middle, click ringtone, and then click continue, and then click you can change the name if you want to change the name of the sound. For example, I change this, and then click export in the top right. All right, now click OK. Just wait a few seconds and then click OK. All right, now go to your song, go to where you can change the ringtone or alarm on your iPhone. For example, let me show you guys on clock. I am going to show you guys. You can change it. You can see here the sound is added there. I can use it right now. So like I said, guys, this is a simple way to do that. If you want to change ringtone, just click here sounds, and you can just click ringtone, and here you will find the sound that you have added. You can just see it.